Hi, I'm Leyah. I've been running my own design firm for 2 years now in Singapore. Every project starts with on-site measurement. We used to use tape measures and laser measures, but now MEAZOR 3D has changed the game. Tilt mode allows us to capture floor plans even with tons of furniture in the room. House renovation projects can never be more accessible than now. It used to take an hour to measure a 3-bedroom condo, but now just 15 minutes. I'm always excited when I'm working on unique buildings, but measuring the curved structures, it's a pain in the ass. And this is when MEAZOR 3D's curve scanner showed me a new possibility. With this function, I can accurately scan any structure with odd shapes. MEAZOR 3D makes all unique work not a challenge, but a treasure.